I can't tell you the answers to life and the universe as we know it. But I can teach you how to create dope merchandise with Teespring. I know that some of you are more than just subscribers or viewers. Some of you have bought your own Wacom tablets. Some of you are actually practicing full-blown animation yourselves, and it makes me so happy to see. I'm sure some of you, as artists and animators and YouTubers yourselves, would like to know how I create my merchandise. So let's do this. Okay, so Teespring merchandise integration. Let's do this. Obviously, the first thing you're gonna do is go to teespring.com and create an account in case you don't have one already. Obviously, I have one, but to make a new one, if it's your first time, you would just click on log in, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Email, password, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, after you're done, you will click on Start Designing. And this is quite simple because they give you a selection of templates to choose from, as you can see. And it's as simple as just importing the image. Because some other t-shirt and merch design websites, they kind of have like these complicated setups, like it needs to be a certain size, or it needs this PSD file, etc., etc. But Teespring is like, it's like as simple as uploading to Instagram. So as an example, I will create a sticker. Since a lot of you guys have been requesting stickers, I would just simply click on Start Designing. And being as I'm an animator, I have plenty of images to source from my cartoons. So as an example, let's say we make a new sticker. I will click Add Image. Let's make one for my commission. Let's say, why not Marion dancing? Here's a good one. If I click preview, that lets me see how the final product would look. And there you go. Marion is a sticker. Just that simple, right? So let's say we want to list this. You would click continue. And you can preview it on other products, but personally, I just like to go one at a time because, you know, if I plan it as a sticker, I see it as a sticker. For example, you can see her head's kind of cut off on the phone case version. So I just go one at a time on this. But you can do whatever you want. It's fine. Just me personally, I go one at a time. And you would click continue. And just like type the name, description, whatever. I will call this Jumping Split Marion. Marion jumping into a split with ants in her pants. And like, yeah. I'll call it Split Marion instead. And if I click publish, just as simple as that, it is live and ready for purchase/fulfillment. Now let's say you want to display it on your merchandise shelf. How do you do that? That is a little more complicated. But thankfully, Cromartie Senpai is here to walk you through it. And so, in order to have merchandise shelf integration, you are going to go to a very obscure site you have probably never heard of by the name of youtube.com. And you will click on your avatar to go to the Creator Studio. And you will actually click on Try Studio Beta. And as you wait in eternity for that to load, depending on your connection and choice of browser, as soon as it loads, you will click upon monetization. And from there, you can click on merchandise. Now, if it's your first time, you will very likely have to set it up, since I've already set it, obviously. But once you've done that, you would click on merchandise. And if you click on organize, you can totally just organize your merchandise shelf by just dragging stuff back and forth as so, as you can see. But another way to edit your merchandise shelf that is not often talked about is through Teespring. If you go back to your account and click on integrations, you can edit it here too. And if you scroll down, for example, I can type in Deville. Let's go to sticker. And bam. And I can just edit it manually here too. And click Save Changes. And once you're done seeing your merchandise shelf in action, it's as simple as going to literally any single one of your videos, like literally any one of them. Say, for example, St. Patrick Malley. And just there it is, Teespring merch shelf. And if you click on it, it leads to your merchandise page. And that, my friend, is how you do it. And that, my friends, is Teespring creation and merchandise shelf integration. Just have fun. Think of designs that you would like to wear or own yourself. And that's all there is to it. Have fun making merchandise. Thank you so much for watching. 80,000 subscribers. That's insane. We are 20,000 away from 100,000. Isn't that wild? I will see you next time. Peace, love, unity, respect,